Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show an overview of the report segment. From the diary screen, click on a navigation wheel. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the report segment. The report screen will open. You will have access to the report data of all the reports that have been generated. For more information on different reports, please refer to the Web App Reports user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Dashboard tab to open a dashboard screen. An overview of the statistics of all the reports are available for the practice or practitioner. The reports can be generated directly from the dashboard screen. For more information on how the dashboard works, please refer to the Reports user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a CRM tab to open the Build Bulk Email SMS screen. The Customer Relation Manager enables you to build and send bulk SMSs and emails to patients. For more information on how to send a bulk SMS and emails, please refer to the Send Bulk Reminder SMS user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Admin History tab to open the Admin Event History screen. All SMSs and emails that have been sent can be accessed from the Admin Event History screen. For more information on how the Admin Event History screen works, please refer to the Admin Event History user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Switch History tab to open the Switch History screen. All the information about when the claim of the patient's visit was switched and sent to the medical aid, the response to the claim, rejections and reversals. For more information on how the Switch History screen works, please refer to the EDI Switch History user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Credit Control Management tab to open the Credit Control Management screen. The CCM assists the practice to manage the business processes within the practice that are associated with the collection of outstanding debt from medical aids and/or patients. For more information on a Credit Control Management screen, please refer to the Credit Control Assistant Automatic Credit Control Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Audit Log tab to open the Audit Log screen. An event register for all transactions and what actions were performed on a specific transaction. For more information on how the Audit Log screen works, please refer to the Audit Log user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Clinical Reports tab to open the Clinical Report screen. The Clinical Report screen allows the practitioner to access summaries of pathology results and chronic script expiry. For more information on how the Clinical Report works, please refer to the Clinical Reports user manual linked in this video's description.